Opened VALORANT Mobile and can't read anything? Let's fix that. You're not alone. Thousands of players see the same thing. And here's the real reason why it happens. The mobile version is still in limited regional testing. So most builds only include Chinese right now. You can check every tab in settings. But many versions simply don't have a language switch yet. During testing, developers focus on gameplay and servers first. Language options usually come with a global release. English and other languages will likely be added later. Until then, here's what you can do. Use a camera translation app to read menus instantly. Screenshots help you learn important buttons. Watching gameplay guides teaches menu positions fast. After a few matches, you'll memorize key icons easily. Reinstalling the game won't change the language. Changing your phone language usually doesn't help either. The language is tied to the testing region, not your device. The PC version allows language changes. Mobile isn't there yet. Watch for updates. New features arrive quietly. When testing expands globally, language options should follow. It'll likely appear inside the main settings menu. Patch notes mentioning localization are a good sign. Luckily, the gameplay itself is simple to understand. Most buttons use universal icons anyway. The community already shares translated menus online. So here's the short version. No language option yet. Testing phase. Wait for updates. Don't let the language stop you from enjoying the game. Subscribe for more mobile gaming guides. I'll update you when language settings finally arrive.